In this video, we show how to replace the E3 drive carrier on a PowerEdge XE7745. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support.
To remove the E3 drive carrier, slide the release button to open the drive carrier release handle. Holding the drive carrier release handle, slide the drive carrier out of the drive slot. To install the E3 drive carrier, slide the drive carrier into the drive slot and push until the drive connects with the backplane. Close the drive carrier release handle to lock the drive in place.
For more information or support, it's at the PowerEdge XE7745. Visit dell.com/support.